Students, we are starting today the inserting object. Right now, inserting object in Microsoft Word. We have um, already completed so many sessions. So this is actually we are in the last page, last session, last but one session. You can say inserting objects, and after this we will have the insert shapes and symbols and special characters as well. Now the thing is that inserting objects, how to do. So we have to go this. Normally we open with the home tab, though we have to go with the insert tab. Fine. Then insert tab. Then accordingly, what you have to do, click onto the insert tab, and for inserting the objects, what you have to do, you have to come back over here in the object. Okay, so as I'm handling on Microsoft Office 365, it is a bit different from the 2010. You will get a combo box in the same fashion, but the object will be written over there. But here, in case this is the object, you can see insert an embedded object or text from another file into your document. That is the function of this insert object. All right, now we are going to this one. Okay, so clicking over here. Okay, just a minute. See, like this, we are going on to object. Fine. So when we are clicking on object, it is showing us a different type of objects. Okay, so if I clicking on Adobe Acrobat document, so in that case it will search for an Adobe Acrobat document, then the same thing can be inserted into my document. All right, now you see how it is being shown. Okay, it will show me the list of documents. Suppose here any Acrobat document, it will be opened. Now see how it is. I'm going to the desktop to search an Acrobat document, or you can go to the D drive also. There are documents are there, so I can find out from there any Acrobat document is required or not. Is there or not? Yes, that is say is a presentation. Okay, when class 12, this is Sumit Arora, the same. This is a PDF file. You can see out here. So I'm inserting this PDF file out here as an object. All right. So it has been inserted as an object, as you can see out here. Okay. Plus 12. This has been opened from here. So in this way, we can insert the thing, the object. All right. So it has been inserted in the Microsoft Word document in the form of an object. All right. So you can see if you click over here. So what is happening? This is actually, you can see it is just showing the guides and all, so you can use these guides and all to in order to increase or decrease. All right, so that is the thing. So this is why this is the way to inserting an object. All right, this one, so this why I'm deleting this one, so I'm showing another object to be entered. Microsoft Excel object I will enter right now. Okay, Microsoft Excel chart object I will enter and see the chart. All right, okay, fine. So this one you can enter, you can see out here the chart has been entered in this way. Now you see the thing. I'm going to the sheet one. I'm changing the values a bit. Okay, so I am out here. I'm giving the things out here. Say physics. Here I'm giving you chemistry, and here I'm giving you maths. Okay, maths, and I'm changing you here. That is unit one, and then I'm changing out here unit two and unit 3 and unit 4 as well, and unit 5, and this data I will keep, just moving it. So 6 data were there, I'm inserting with the 5 data. Okay, now this will come back over here in the chart, and now see it has changed. So in this way you can edit the object after inserting it from an as an Excel chart. Okay, in the form of an Excel chart. So in this way you will be able to do also. So just click outside anywhere, the chart will remain out here inside. So if you want to edit any point of time this chart, so click over here, and you can have to delete, and you can reinsert the things are there, reinsert the things. Otherwise you can go with the edit the chart object. Okay, that you can go for. Again you come back to the sheet and you do the necessary changes, and you come back over here, you can be able to see the effects. So I'm giving out here, say in the form of 50 suppose, and then I'm going to the chart. Okay, so it has been taken as 50, you can see. So click outside anywhere, the chart object will be set. Afterwards what you have to do, right click, and then borders and shadings and all are there. You can add the borders and all. Okay, big border, you can see, you can give the color border also as well. You can give the green color border and click on OK, that the rest of the things will be done. So in this way you can insert the object in MS Word. What object is this? Excel chart object. All right. some more inserting objects that I want to show you right now. Okay, so the thing is that if you want to insert here from file or from file, if you want to insert, so what could you do is that insert here. Okay, so just opening the document, I'm just deleting the chart from here. Okay, so I'm going again to the text and then going to the text from file. All right, text from file, when you do is you will have some text file to be opened, MS Word or something like that. Okay, so afterwards you will be able to do the things. All right, so it is just opening the file. Okay, from here. Okay, you can see a lot of different files are there. Say for example, just a minute. Say this standard X material or for spell check or something like that. So I'm clicking over here. This particular things has been inserted from that particular file. All right. So maybe mistakes and also, but this is the way to do. All right. So in this way, you will be able to insert any text, any file from the text, whichever you will input. All right. So removing this particular file, and then what could you do? What else can you do? Is the object and all object. I can click over here and then you can choose create from file. Create from file, you click on browse over here, and in that case what you do is find out a particular file, say assignment.doc, I'm finding out, and you click on insert. All right, so now it will be created, object will be created from this particular file. Now I am inserting here, so now it is actually inserted over here. So it is equivalent to entering the text from file as well as the object is the same option, almost like, okay, create from file of the same option, almost like. So here you have to find the text file. Okay, and there that is called create from file, and another option which one I have shown you. Which one is that? I have shown you text from file. So more or less these are the same options. So any time any kind of object can be inserted into your doc file by using the insert object. So it is quite rightly said, Microsoft Word allows us to create object in one application to get it embedded in another document without changing the original format of the object. These objects are embedded to give the special effects to the document and make it visually appealing, as you have seen we have done with the chart. Okay, with the Microsoft Excel chart. So any other image if you want to insert, you can insert also any bitmap image if you are available, that also can be inserted. It is equivalent to inserting a picture from a file. Suppose we have drawn this picture out here, so I have drawn this something out here as G. Okay, I'm inserting in this way. So now what I do is I am saving it file, and then I am then save copy as BMP picture, and then save copy as say s1.bmp, and then saving it, and it has been inserted. So if you are making the signature and all in the form of BMP image, that can be inserted in your document. So my handwriting is not that good, students, so you can have a very good control on your handwriting. So use the mouse pointer and write it anything in paint while inserting. But the thing is that what you have to do, you have to go with the object and you have to use this particular option. Okay, in order to insert any kind of manuscript in the document. Okay, that is called bitmap image. Okay, bitmap image, any bitmap particular file will be open or application will be open. There you save your bitmap image, and it will at the same time will be inserted also into your document. So that's all about the inserting object. Okay, and you follow the practicals, implement the practical, and do it effectively, and in order to know about the inserting objects furthermore. All right, thank you then.